If you're getting this error on Fall Guys, downloading content failed, please try again and restart if the error persists. This means you won't be able to get online on Fall Guys.
If you are getting this error, go to your home screen and check the time on your Switch. As you can see here, the time on my Switch is 2:33 a.m, but the actual time is 6:36 p.m. You need to go to your settings, scroll down to System, go to Date and Time, then toggle the synchronized clock via internet on.
This will update the time of your Switch to the current time. Go back to Fall Guys, click OK, select Start, and the game should lodge as normal.